god. Yeah, I need help. Hey guys, it's me, Nour. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, we're following my mom's YouTube channel. And you're probably wondering, where has she gone?
Just doing a challenge. I know, I look ridiculous. Oh, thank God the door's open.
Just doing some work, because that's usually what she does. So, I'm taking over. Today, we're going to be following this beautiful video by my mom.
At the moment, I'm really feeling, I like thick brows, a little bit of liner, lots of lashes. I like the skin to be super clean, super sculpted, perfect highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab the HudaBeauty Rose Gold palette.
So now we're gonna need sandalwood and henna and just mix it on your eyes like that. I think I need wipes. Just wipe those excesses off and we'll just get the other piece and just put it on like that. So we're just gonna blend the eyeshadow on my eyelids. Ba-boom. Now let's get on with the video.
I am gonna add more to it right now. I'm gonna mix Angelic and Moon Dust.
And if you can see, it's right here. It's very beautiful. And just score that on your eye. So now, let's get on with the video again.
Just like a really simple everyday look, and I like it because it's not over the top. And I'm just putting them on my lid.
Flip it off. You're like just on a swing and then just flipping off. That's how you have a dramatic eye. I don't know what they call it, whatever. Now it's my very favorite part. Eyeliner, dramatic part.
So I'm gonna first start with the outer corner. I like to make it a little thick there.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Ooh. Okay, that's way too much. Adults, don't let your kids do makeup at home. They're crazy. They could mess it up. So now I'm just gonna do this. Oh my god, it's so hard. Why? I guess this is pretty good. So now we just need to copy it. So now we need lipstick. If you want to know how to put your lipstick on, just go around your lips and then boom. So now let's just do this. I'm using the shade Trophy Wife. See it right here. Let's just get on with the drama. Just don't play with your mom's makeup, okay? So now we need lipstick. Uh-oh. So now, we're gonna do this beautiful new eye. Come on, Nour. Highlighter. And this is beautiful. Luscious and luxurious. Okay, now I just need my brush and stop joking, Nour. Why are you joking? So, okay, whatever. Just kind of use this as blush maybe because it's pink. You can see. I'm just using this right here. Go on your cheekbones like this. And use a little bit of this color. It's the whitish snow color. Gonna do the move that you've been waiting for is the blush. Why did I close it? Why? Wow. And our final thing. Now we need to do our lashes. Samantha, just take it out. Okay. How did squeeze it? Oh my god. Why? How am I gonna put this on? If you think this is so easy, it's not, guys. It's not. It's so hard. Oh my god. Yeah, I need help. Okay, looks better now. Now put my glasses back on. I put my lashes on by help from my favorite friend Besma. And now I'm just gonna put my glasses on and now we're all done. Make sure you hit that bell and make sure you subscribe. Bye! Get a thumbs up!